In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store data in Make.com. By the end, you'll understand how to build a simple, reliable place to keep records you can reuse across scenarios. First, open Make.com and look to the left sidebar. Click Data Stores. Think of data stores as a built-in database where you can keep structured information, like a lightweight spreadsheet that your automations can read from and write to. Next, click Add Data Store. If you haven't created a structure yet, Make will prompt you to set one up. A data structure is the blueprint for your records. It defines the fields every entry will have so your data stays consistent. Click Create a Data Structure. Give your structure a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. For example, customer data. Names should reflect what kind of records you plan to store. That way, when your workspace grows, it's still easy to find what you need. Now add your fields. Click Add Item and create the fields you want to store, such as name, email, and status. Choose field types that match your data. Text is fine for names and emails, and status can be text as well. Keep field names straightforward and consistent. That will make mapping and reporting simpler in your scenarios. When you're happy with the blueprint, click Save to finalize the data structure. You can adjust it later if needed, but be mindful that changing field names or types after you start using them can affect existing scenarios. With the structure in place, you can complete the data store. Select the structure you just created and click Save. You've now created a concrete store that uses your blueprint to hold real records. To use the store in a scenario, open or create a scenario and add a data store module. Choose Add, Replace a Record. This action writes data into your store, updating an existing entry if a matching key exists, or creating a new one if it doesn't. Map the fields from your previous modules, like name, email, and status, or type sample values for testing. Finally, test your setup. Click Run once to execute the scenario. Send through a sample, then confirm the record appears. You can verify by checking the module's output or by returning to data stores and opening your store to see the newly added entry. That's it. You've created a data structure, set up a data store, used it in a scenario, and tested it end to end. Thanks for watching.